Ladies and gentlemen, success is not a destination. It is a continuous journey of growth, learning, and perseverance. Along this road, you will face challenges, setbacks, and doubts. But it is in those moments that your true potential is revealed. Embrace failure as a stepping stone, a valuable lesson that propels you forward. Stay focused on your goals, visualize your success, and let that belief guide your actions. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire you. Build a network of mentors and supporters. Be adaptable and willing to embrace change. Learn from failures, but never let them define you. Stay true to yourself and your values, for success should not come at the expense of integrity. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and let your passion guide you. Believe in yourself, surround yourself with greatness, adapt to change, and remain true to your values. With these principles, success will be within your reach. Thank you, and may your journey be filled with remarkable achievements and joy.